exclusive reading of Araw sa Palengke courtesy of Green Mango Books. Let's get started.
Araw sa Palengke. Ngayong araw na ito, maaga akong gumising. Inaantok pa ako nang binihisan ako ni nanay. Sasama ako sa kanya. Araw ng palengke ngayon.
Today, I woke up early. I was still sleepy when Nanay helped me get dressed. I will spend the day with her. Today is market day.
Makinig ka ng mabuti, ang sabi ni nanay. Humawak ka sa akin ng mahigpit ha, para hindi ka mawala at hindi pwedeng magturo ng ipabibili. Opo nanay, pangako po, ang sabi ko.
Listen well, Nanay said. Hold on to me tightly, huh? So you won't get lost. And don't point at things you want me to buy for you. Yes, Nanay, I promise, I said.
Tig-isa kami ni nanay ng bayong. Ang bayong ni nanay ay malaki at makulay. Ang bayong ko naman ay maliit at kulay dilaw.
Nanay and I each carry a bayong. Nanay's bayong is big and colorful. Mine is small and yellow.
Maingay sa palengke. Nagsisigawan ng mga tao. Pero hindi galit, masaya. Parang ang lahat ay magkakakilala. Suki! Suki! Bili ka na sa akin, Suki!
The market is noisy. People shout at each other, not angrily, but happily. They all seem to know each other. Suki! Suki! Buy from me, Suki!
Hindi ko gusto ang amoy ng palengke. Amoy karne, manok at isda. Ngunit bakit tila tuwang-tuwa naman si nanay sa kaaamoy sa mga yon?
I don't like the smell of the market. It smells like meat, chicken, and fish. But why does Nanay seem to like smelling these things?
Mainit sa palengke at saka maputik. Kaya pala gusto ni nanay na maaga kami. Masikip ang palengke kapag magtatanghali.
The market is hot and muddy. Now I know why Nanay wanted to come early. The market gets crowded when it's late morning.
Mababait ang mga tindera sa palengke. Pinatikim kami ni nanay ng kanilang sari-saring tinda. Pakwan, lansones, bibingka. Pinuno din nila ang aking maliit na bayong ng iba't ibang bagay.
The market vendors are kind to us. They let Nanay and me taste what they're selling. Watermelon, lansones, rice cake. They fill my small bayong with lots of things.
Maraming makikita sa palengke. Mga kakatwa, mga nakakatakot, at may mga gandang bagay. Hi! At ang ganda ng isang munting pulang kalan na may munting palayok. Ang sarap magluto-lutuan.
There is a lot to see in the market. Some are odd, some are scary, some are wonderful. And I really like the tiny earthenware stove with a tiny earthenware pot. What fun it will be to play with it.
Pero may pangako ako kay nanay.
But I made Nanay a promise.
Pagod na kami ni nanay. Mahirap palang mamalengke. Pagdating namin sa bahay, tinulungan ko siyang iligpit ang aming ipinamili. Teka, ano yung nakita kong nakabalot sa dyaryo?
Nanay and I are very tired. Going to the market is not easy. When we get home, I help Nanay put away the things we bought. But wait, what do I see wrapped in newspaper?
Parang pamilyar ang hugis. Parang
The shape looks familiar. It looks like
isang munting kalan na may munting palayok.
a tiny earthenware stove with a tiny earthenware pot.
Salamat, nanay.
Thanks, Nanay.
The end.
The end. Oh,
Napakagandang storya, di ba,
Ang ganda-ganda ng storya. In fact, kinilig ako.
Diba, napakasimple niya,
It's a
napakamadaling
very simple story.
intindihin ng mga bata, pero the culture, makikita mo yung pagka-Pilipino. So, we're very excited na na-share namin dito, G.
Maraming
Thank you so
salamat,
much.
and I would like as early as now to invite Green Mango Books back. I'd love to be able to do this again.
Yes.
Napakadaming storya na kailangan nating i-share sa ating mga viewers. At this is a chance for them to bring their children and watch the show.
Exactly.
Right?
Correct.
And I would love to have my kids read this as well. They have a copy already.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good. That's good. We were actually giving you one as well para
Oh.
extra copy mo siguro.
Okay, so
Para
eto
for
na lang
more
ang
reading.
gagawin ko. Please, send us a Facebook message. If you are the first person to send us a Facebook message, you will get Araw sa Palengke. Dahil may kopya na ako, ibibigay ko sa inyo ang kopya ng Kababayan Today. Maraming salamat, Melody. Maraming salamat, Alan. Pagbalik natin, pag-uusapan pa rin natin ang Green Mango Books and how we can teach our children Tagalog. Huwag po kayong aalis.